Hey guys, so this is the unboxing video to the new JBL Clip 5. So we have here the blue and black edition. And so we're going to take a close look at what's inside of this box here. First, let's have a look at the outside. So 12 hours of playtime, Bluetooth version 5.3. Then on the side, we have here Auracast. So that means we can connect this Bluetooth speaker to all kinds of other Bluetooth speakers. See here some more additional information about the speaker, frequency response, and then what's inside of the box here. On the back side, we see here 12 hours of playtime, and you can extend this for another additional 3 hours to up to 15 hours. Then IP67 water and dust proof. Okay, so now let's open it up and see what we find inside. So this is how we flip open the box. It's a cardboard box. So very well recyclable material, really nice. And then all we see here is the Clip 5 right in the center, and then underneath we have another layer of cardboard, and then here we find, for one, the USB charging cable. So on the one end we have a USB-A, and then on the other end here USB-C. So this USB-C side jet, that's what goes into the speaker. You can recognize that you have an original JBL product here by looking, for example, at the charging cable, because you see here the charging cable is actually branded. So it says here JBL on the USB-A connector. Okay, so then we also find a little bit of paperwork inside of the box. And we have here, for one, the warranty card and some safety instructions. So I'm not going to take a closer look at this, but then we have here the quick start guide to the Clip 5, and here it shows us how to use the speaker in a very simple way. So this is just not a whole lot of text, nothing really explaining, just a couple of pictures of what you can and cannot do with the speaker and how to use it. And of course we have the technical specifications here as well. Okay, so now let's have a close look at the speaker itself. First we're going to look at the clip. So this is what gives the speaker its name. So we have here a metal clip. Feel this here. It's rubberized on the movable part. So, but underneath in there is metal as well. So you see this is. Then in the front we have here the 3 buttons: plus, minus, and play, pause. And then we also have here the JBL logo in the front. This is rubberized. And then Clip 5, it says here on the right side. The back side has here these bumpers here. Those are also rubberized, but they're not really kind of preventing the speaker from slipping and sliding. So the front end here, the JBL part, that's what keeps it from sliding around, but the back part is really just a couple of bumpers. They don't really prevent the speaker from moving around. Okay, so then here on the left side we have 3 more buttons: the power button, Bluetooth pairing button, and here the Auracast button. And then on the bottom of the speaker, that's where we find here the waterproof USB-C charging port. And then we can find an indicator LED for the charging on the top of the speaker here by the clip, right where this arrow is pointing. Okay, so then let's give it a little bit of go. Let's start it up by pressing the power button. The speaker comes pre-charged, so we don't have to initially charge it. We can use it right away. So then all we have to do is just pair it to our smartphone, and then we can give it a try. So in this case, we're using the simple microphone from our iPhone 13. We have the simple functions of raising the volume, lowering the volume with the plus and minus buttons. And then the play pause button actually has 3 different functions. So one of them, of course, is play and pause by using a single touch click, or single click. And then if you press the button twice, then we're going to switch forward, fast forward to the next track. And then if we really quickly press 3 times, then we're going to go back to the previous track or to the beginning of the current track. And then here on the side, we have here the Auracast button. So in case you do have another speaker available that also supports Auracast, just like here, for example, the JBL GO4. Then all we have to do is press first the Auracast button on the speaker that's connected to our smartphone, in this case the Clip 5, and then we're also going to press the Auracast button on the GO4 here, and then it takes a couple of seconds, and then both speakers will play simultaneously. Yeah, and that was already it for the unboxing video of the JBL Clip 5. Hope you found the information helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.